Hello, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate Athena, the ultimate analysis platform in action. Athena works as simulation as well as real-time algo trading platform. Now let me start the platform. Now let me select trade zone. Unique thing about our platform is that it is driven by bots. Bots are basically strategy of traders in coded form, but it can be instructed like human beings for many kind of trade related constraints which are normally not part of any regular strategy. Here is our bot management console. At this moment, system has only one registered as bot, SMA bot. As the name suggests, it is based on simple moving average crossover strategy. By default, this bot follows 5 and 13 period moving average line as reference and 0.5% stop loss. We can create a clone bot based on this native bot. In clone bot, strategy is same, but the parameters like stop loss can vary. I'm going to name this bot SMA 1329. It means it will follow 13 and 29 period moving average. I'm going to change this default stop loss from 0.5% to 0.25%. In this way, we can create as many clone bots as we want. Now we have 8 variations of bots. All are based on the same genre of strategy, that is moving average crossover. In Athena, we have to create trade session for any simulation or real-time trading. We will create a new trade session which we will name Demo TS. We can select to save this session at any particular location on the computer. Now let us create the trade session. A trade session has 3 important components: bots, stocks and exchange. Let us choose our bots for this session and select some stocks also. We will select Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto, BHEL, BPCL and then Bharti Airtel. Next we'll go to Cipla, then one IT stock, HCL Tech, then we'll come down to Mahindra and Mahindra, then we'll come down to Rail Infra, then we'll select State Bank, then Tata Motors, and lastly we'll select Wipro. In order to execute, we need an exchange. We have a virtual exchange for the same, Athena Paper Trade. To select all permutations and combinations, we can select all and add them to the trade combination list. Now let us run this session. We had selected 8 bots and 12 companies. So there are a total of 96 trade combinations. This box is confirming that there are 96 trade combinations. If we want auto alert through email or audio alert, we can select the checkbox over here. Now our system requires data feed. At this moment, it has noticed that there is no data feed for this trade session. Our system is suggesting that there is a simulation server available on this machine and we can start the data feed from the same. So I will select this. Now it is asking the time period. Let us select data for the first week of September 2012. The moment OK button is pressed, it will start the simulation server and our current system will try to establish link with it. The virtual trade session has started. It will take some time to complete the trade session. If you want, you can see the current status on the simulation server. This session will finish at 5:12 p.m. our session is finished and it is time to see the result. Here is the result matrix, which is showing a comprehensive result of all the bots and stocks at a glance. These numbers are showing percentage profit or loss incurred in this trade session, including brokerage charges. Numbers inside parentheses are showing number of profitable trade versus total trade during this session. Our reporting system provides reports at specific levels like bot level and individual stock levels also. Coming back to our comprehensive matrix, we can clearly see that all combinations are not profitable. In fact, very few combinations are profitable. I will walk you through how we can select the most appropriate trade combination for future trade. Based on our simulation result, we will create a new trade session for the next day trading. Let us name it Demo TS with. This time, we will select another button which will look for an output file generated during the earlier simulation session. Now, out of our 96 combinations, system has recommended only 4 trade combinations. I will run these trade combinations for the next day trading in the simulation environment. Press Run, verify trade combination, choose to run simulation environment, select next day of trading and click OK button. Well, now let us see the result of our wizard-based session. Out of 4 trade combinations, 2 have made small losses while 2 have made profit. Let us see these data in actual profit terms. In the first column, we have our stocks. Second column shows percentage profit and loss we have captured from our trade session report. Third column shows approximate lot price and fourth column shows actual margin money required for trading. Last column shows absolute profit loss realized by the trade on that particular day. Here for capital investment of 1,72,500 rupees, this trading session has yielded rupees 5,373, which is nearly 3.11% return. Dividing by number of trade combinations, we will get approximately rupees 1,350 per trade combination, which is above our statistical approximation of rupees 500 rupees per day per trade combination as suggested in our iTrade services. Thank you for watching this video. For more details about Athena Trading Platform, please visit http://www.bazaaranalysis.com/Athena.